Gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected. We are doing what needs to be done. I wanted to go and check somewhere. I'm supposed to come here on Monday, but I wanted to just be very sure I know where it is. But because we have some free time, we need to do what we need to do. So I decided to take a walk before I go and see someone, just to see where this place is. I lived just around the corner like a long time ago. I've lived in so many places in Manchester. We have done it. Yes, we have. And I love the way you can literally walk through the canal if you want and not walk on the streets if you want to do so. It's really easy to do. This part of the canal is really wide. Can you see? There's a lot of buildings around the canal. So I will just walk there, check, see what's up, and just make sure that I know where I'm coming. There's a shortcut, but I just wanted to just do this because I feel like it. When the weather is like this, the temperature is perfectly okay. It is not too cold. It is not windy. It is not too cold. It is not too hot. Sorry. Let's go. I swear, I gave myself an impossible task. I do know where I am. I've seen where I want to go, but for some reason, there was no connection to get to it from across where I was. So now I did an unnecessary round around to get here. It's crazy. Now I have to cross over again to see if I can get to it. I was so hungry. I went to Rita's Rain and bought food there. I went to the corner there to eat the food. I was so hungry. A woman met me there and said hi to me. She was really kind, really nice. I walked myself, like walking. I walked myself into the ground because I was trying to find this place at Pomona. I found it anyway. I'm just going to go into social refuge for a bit and go back home. I have done so much. I went into Moida. Moida is this Korean store in Manchester City Centre, Korean beauty store in Manchester City Centre. I went in there and bought a cleanser because I don't have any cleanser left. The one I have is finished. Manchester never ceases to amaze me. There was these people fighting. They were high. It was just funny seeing two of them fight. I feel like going into Haiti to get myself a tea, one of these their green tea thing, and then get on the bus. My feet are killing me. I don't think I can walk. I need to get the bus, I swear. If not, I will have blisters. Thank you so much for spending some time with this juicy Gay Igbo man. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.